Hi, I'm Terry Gillis. Just wanted to give a heads up to you all that Jeffrey and the RvDiagnostics and troubleshooting team is just fantastic to work with. I just signed up for my second year with Jeffrey, and I've got over 30 years experience with pop-ups, travel trailers, Class B, have a two-year used 2012 Class A, and I'm continually learning new things about RVs. I had a problem with some electrical issues a year ago and reached out to a number of folks, got tired of paying for taking it back to the dealer or other RV repair shops where it cost me a fortune. I'm not an expert at handyman things, but I like trying things and learning, and connected up with RvDiagnostics and found it fantastic. Told Jeffrey what my problem was. Rather than just saying, here, go fix this, he walked me through how to find wiring diagrams for my RV, how to go about testing. I learned a wealth of knowledge from Jeffrey's experiences that taught me more than I'd expected for a very small fee, and probably $2 of tools that I built based on things that Jeffrey uses. I was able to repair an electrical issue within my Class A very quickly and for basically nothing. There was a simple ground wire missing. How you find a missing ground wire from the batteries in the rear of a diesel pusher to the switch in the front of your coach was kind of challenging, and Jeffrey walked me through a very simple way to test all the electrical parts. So what I learned from fixing my one broken ground wire, I now probably can fix any electrical issue that comes up because I learned more than just fixing the one item that was needed. So going into year two, hopefully I don't need the services, but if I have something that breaks on me, I definitely know where to reach out to and get some quick help from RvDiagnostics and troubleshooting. Have a good day, everybody.